Imagine waking up and giving your body a warm, aromatic infusion that signals your digestive system to start working smoothly and your metabolism to function more efficiently. Today, we break down the science behind clove cinnamon water. Before you dismiss it as just another home remedy, stay with us because the research on these two spices is more powerful than you might expect. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. In this video, we explore why drinking clove cinnamon water on an empty stomach can support better digestion and even help regulate blood sugar. You will also learn the right preparation method, ideal dosage, and important precautions. Let's start with why cloves and cinnamon work. Cloves contain a bioactive compound called eugenol. Studies suggest that eugenol has digestive supporting, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. This means cloves may help with slow digestion, gas, bloating, and even mild stomach discomfort caused by harmful bacteria. Cinnamon, particularly Ceylon cinnamon, is rich in polyphenols that help improve insulin sensitivity. Better insulin response can influence metabolic health and more stable energy release throughout the day. Cinnamon also has prebiotic-like properties that feed good gut bacteria. When these two spices are infused in warm water, they release antioxidants and volatile oils that enhance gut activity. Drinking this infusion first thing in the morning supports the digestive tract when it is most receptive. Many people take this drink mainly for digestion because it may help with better stomach acid activity. Cloves stimulate digestive enzymes, which are important for breaking down food properly. This drink may also help reduce gas and bloating. The antimicrobial activity of cloves and the gut-friendly properties of cinnamon work together to soothe digestion. Now let's find out how to make it. There are two simple and effective methods. Method 1. Overnight infusion. For this, take 2 whole cloves, add a small piece of Ceylon cinnamon stick, put them in a glass of drinking water. Let this soak overnight. Drink it warm first thing in the morning after straining. This method gives a mild flavor and is suitable for beginners. Method 2. Light decoction. Boil 300 ml of water, add 2 to 3 whole cloves and 1 to 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick. Simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Let it cool to a comfortable warm temperature and drink it fresh. This method gives a stronger medicinal effect and a slightly spicier taste. 1 cup in the morning is usually enough for most adults. You can drink this on alternate days or up to 5 days a week, depending on your digestive comfort. Avoid overdoing cloves. They are powerful and only a small amount is required. Drink this infusion on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. Wait at least 20 minutes before eating breakfast. You can continue having your normal diet. This drink is not a replacement for meals or medications, but can support your existing wellness routine. Never increase the quantity of cloves because eugenol is strong and excessive intake may irritate the digestive lining. Before adding this morning drink to your routine, keep the following points in mind. People with stomach ulcers or severe acidity should avoid clove preparations. Cinnamon can interact with blood thinning or diabetes medications, so speak to your doctor if you take these. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should use these spices cautiously. Always use Ceylon cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon has high coumarin content, which may affect the liver when taken regularly in higher amounts. Clove cinnamon water is simple, affordable, and backed by promising research. The key is consistency, moderation, and the right preparation method. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the Mindhunters for more science-backed content. Don't forget to check our channel memberships for more member-exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.